Kasado ako for 8 years. May isang anak na babae. Misis ko po ay mulat sa pool pinagtapos ko ng pag-aaral. Pero mula nung pinag-aral ko siya, maraming nagbago sa ugali niya. Natuto uminom, magpasyal kasama ang barkada. Hanggang sa lagi na kaming nag-aaway. Hanggang humantong sa hiwalayan. Sa ngayon, almost 3 years na kaming hindi nagkikita. Balita ko may work siya at ako, tuloy lang ang buhay. Priority ko ang anak ko. Mabigyan ng magandang buhay, mapagtapos. Pero ang main problem ko ay paano ako makakahanap ng babae na mamahalin ako. Kasado po akong magmahal. Annulment, gagawin ko yan. Sana lang sa isang araw, makahanap na ako ng babaeng magiging tapat sa akin. Ako si Arvin, 38. And I'm so ready for a new start. My love, sana kapag nag-request tayo ng things that we need in life, parang vending machine. Yung alam niyo yun, pipili lang kayo ng kung anong gusto nyo, maglalagay lang kayo ng pera, tapos malalaglag na siya. Kasi pag sa fast food, may tendency na wala yung order mo, o kaya matagal siyang dumating, unlike sa vending machine instantly. Nasa yun na yung gusto mo. If things are just like that, or if things in life are just like that, hindi na tayo magkakaroon ng problema siguro, no? Pero Arvin, hindi ganon yun eh. Hindi ganon in life. Minsan, kahit talaga matindi tayo magmahal, kahit kind tayo, kahit ibigay natin dun sa taong minamahal natin everything that we've got, the best that we can offer. If that person is not for us, that person will not be for us. It's the same way in finding someone. Even when you're ready. Even when alam mo sa sarili mong you have your fair share or you've had your fair share of pain. Ang tagal mo nang natenga, ang tagal mo nang naging single. Ang dami mo nang nakilala along the way. Sobrang handang-handa ka na for a long-term kind of relationship. This relationship that could last a lifetime. Even when you're ready, if the person is not yet there, it's not gonna happen. So my love, I hope there is a place or a vending machine that you can order one for you. Kasi I know you deserve one. Pero what I know kasi na if you want to find someone, if you want to meet someone, then you just have to go out there. You just have to continue meeting people. Trying to get to know people. Going on dates. Having your adventures, and maybe along the way, makakilala ka ng someone who digs the same thing that you like, who accepts you for who you are, who can listen to your life story without judgment, who will be ready to embrace your flaws and the things that are beautiful about you, like your kids. So my love, just go back out there. Walang specific duration bago mo ma-meet yung someone that you would share your lifetime with. Wala ding itemized na instructions on how or where or when, anong best time of the day lumabas, makipag-date para makakilala ng someone na pang forever. Walang ganun, my love eh. You just have to take a risk. You just have to gamble every single time. Kasi like everybody else, We are all just searching for that one great love na pwede nating maging ending, maging happy ending. So if you want to have it for yourself, if you want to experience that, if you want to acquire that one great love, just like everybody else, just like us, you just have to try again. Stop feeling and being sorry for yourself. I know that story is a reminder of how great of a person you are. Pero both at the same time, that story is a great reminder of your pain. So if you really want to start a new life, to have a clean slate, then you have to stop sharing a story like that. And just appreciate all the good things that came out of that story, like your kids. Focus on that and focus on yourself. Then maybe after every painful story na nakwento mo na, sa lahat ng pwede mong pagkwentuhan, maybe it's about time you start sharing new stories that can be built with a person that will really listen to you. Nakigets mo ako, my love? Stop being sorry for yourself and just magnify all the good things na meron ka. That story is not your highlight. It's not the highlight of your life. The highlight is who you are. So shine the light on that. Yun yung i-magnify mo. Yun yung ikwento mo sa mga bagong mong kakilala so they can see you. Not your scars, but who you are. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? You deserve love. You deserve to be happy. But you have to believe that you do deserve that. By believing that you are great. With or without that story. Claro?